Whoa, congratulations. It looks like you've actually achieved a completion certificate from Clevender. So, how do you actually get the certificate and how do you check if the certificate is real? Because if you didn't have any proper ways of checking if that certificate is actually true, somebody could just Photoshop a certificate and that wouldn't be nice, right? So, let me show you. Let's jump into the website. So here it is. This is the course, free course on Unreal Engine. So I can complete this course. And then here are the stats of the course. And I have this certificate button here. So if I click this one, it actually takes me to this extra site that will show a PDF that you can download to post online or maybe frame it and hang it on your wall as a cool achievement. But here's the thing. You can see that Jane, which is the made up username that I've made for this account, it's not really a real name. You would like to have your actual full name displayed there. So to achieve that, you need to go into your account settings. If you jump into the website main page, you'll find your username at the right topmost corner of the screen. So if you click there, you can find the settings button here and you'll see everything related to your account here, but you have to enter your name and last name here. So let's say it's Jane Hunter. And maybe because some users have two last names, you can just input that there and it should be good to go, like so, Jane Hunter Capo. Or you could just leave it as Jane Hunter. But for this example, let's make it two last names. All right, if you have any middle names, you can input them there, like so, Jane Middle Hunter Capo. But let's just say this is Jane Hunter Capo for now. And you can choose how to display your name publicly. So maybe like that, but you don't really actually need to do this. You just have to input your name and last name. So save your changes and then successfully saved. So jump back into the certificate, but you'll see that if you reload this page, nothing will happen actually. That's just because you're just reloading this certificate and not generating a new one. So jump back into the lesson. You can reload the page again, click on certificate, and then the new certificate will be rendered and you'll have your full name displayed there. So if you want to access your certificates straight from your profile, you can click on My Certificates tab, and then you'll see that's the course, and then you can click on download. Awesome. And now you can download this or print this. Now, if you want to make sure that this is not a falsified certificate, if it's not a fake Photoshop certificate, it's pretty easy to do, actually. You only need one thing, and that's the code that generates automatically with your certificate, and it can be found at the bottom of the certificate right there. You can copy the code or type it down straight away from here, but you can also click on copy code on your My Certificates tab in your profile. So copy the code, and then you can access the Clevender website again. And here on the main page, you'll see that there's a check certificate button on the completion certificates divider. So click on check certificate and this will take you to this website here. You can enter the certificate code by pasting it here and then click on check code. This will say that, hey, the certificate is valid. The course Unreal Engine Quick Start for VFX Artists is finished by Jane. Well, you see that the name Jane is displayed there, and that's just because on your profile, if you remember properly, we set up that our public name is Jane. That's the main reason why you might want to actually switch the display name to your actual name. So if you save the changes now and then check the code again, you'll see that your full name is now being displayed. That's interesting because a recruiter or somebody that might want to hire you or check if your certificates are real will need to see your full name there, especially if you're posting this on LinkedIn or another social media like that. So that's important, right? You need to actually configure that. Well, and that's how you can use certificates and how cool that feature is. Like, I'm really proud that we managed to add this to the Academy, and yeah, I really like how everything is turning out. So if you have any questions related to these certificates, feel free to reach out to hi@clevender.com. All right, that's about it. See ya.